Lots of schools have summer abroad programs, and I think what New York Law School was interested in doing was to really simulate what, in my experience, real practice would be in the international transactional setting. We established a series of mock client scenarios with a U.S. client thinking about expanding and doing business in London and then in Paris. We had a couple of lectures at the beginning that gave some grounding to the students in the differences between English law and U.S. law, and then French civil law. We then met with a variety of experienced senior professionals in the London and Paris markets.
Through Professor Hagy's course, we were able to participate in a simulated real estate corporate transaction, which was structured much like a real deal. And we met with real industry professionals in London, ranging from brokers to partners at large law firms, in order to gather the information to advise our clients.
You learn how to spot issues you normally wouldn't think of. And in tune with that, you actually formulate solutions that will best serve your client's interests.
I found it really surprising that even though we speak the same language, the market in London is completely different. The vocabulary is completely different. Like, there's just so many things that, same words mean different things.
Professor Hagy has a wealth of experience. He's been in the business for 30+ years, and we were able to really benefit from the experiences that he's had. He knows how these deals are structured. He was able to introduce us to people who have worked on these types of deals in foreign countries, and that's something that I don't think a lot of young lawyers get to experience.
I know that I'm taking with me certain skills just for networking and interviewing, just because I got such a great experience dealing with professionals on that kind of level, where I think it forced us to sort of get out of our comfort zone and just act like professionals and not like students. So I think that's pretty invaluable.
It was just an overall excellent experience. The program's well thought out, it's well organized. It just truly keeps you engaged from the moment you go in, the moment you leave, and you complete the project.
Two of the professionals who are from big firm law practices said they thought that our students were performing at a level equivalent to a 3rd to 5th year associate would have done in their practices. So the students did really well. It was a collaborative experience, and it is the closest I've experienced also to the collaborative environment on the best day with the best client trying to solve their problems in a real world setting. So it was a lot of fun.